Hey everyone, in today's video I just want to do a quick PACER tutorial. This is the Public Access to Court Electronic Records website, and with this website you can get access to all the public records that are available in any federal court in the United States. Well, I don't want to say every court and every record, but it will give you access to a lot. And for the people who are following the income store evolving situation, this can be a powerful research tool. I really dislike that the income store investors are not getting real-time access to all of the relevant information associated with the court case, with the receivership. And I've also been getting a lot of requests for documents, which I don't mind responding to, but ultimately every single person who can access PACER should be able to go and check in on the case and take a look at whatever document they want anytime they want. So you can find the PACER Access panel at pacer.gov, and you have to register. When you click the register button, it takes you into a wizard. You click start, and then you click view because you're not ready to e-file because you're not filing and you're not an attorney. So you click view, and then you click continue. And then it will give you a place to enter your information. After this step, you will be asked for a credit card. And if you have a credit card, you will be granted just about instantaneous access. Otherwise, they will send you something in the mail, which you will get in a week or so, and then you can come back in and verify your account. Now, the reason they want your credit card is because it costs money to actually look at documents. It's 10 cents a page, which is not an extraordinary amount unless you spend a whole bunch of time searching around and clicking on things. And then after a while, you can build up quite the bill. So just keep an eye on that. All right, so if you have a PACER login, I'm just going to show you how to find access to the income store case. There are two ways to find cases in PACER. I'm going to click on Find a Case. So you can do it by case locator. So if you don't know the case number, you don't know the court, but maybe you know the name of someone involved, the plaintiff, the defendant, the company, you can search for things more generally. When you click on that button, it requires that you log in. And then it gives you options to find cases, find parties, even by bankruptcy, searching for their social security number or EIN. When you click on Find Parties, this is the page that you'll see. And if you do an advanced party search, this is what you will see. Since I know the court and I know the case number, I'm not going to do the case locator, although you could use the case locator if you wanted to search for court cases associated with any other party involved in your case. I would search the individual court websites. When you click on that, you will be shown all the individual court sites. For the income store case, I know that we are looking for the Illinois Northern Court. So I'm going to click on that. It brings you to a page that looks like this. And you'll want to click up here. It says Northern District of Illinois Document Filing System. This is not high tech. And this is a place where it can get confusing because it's really not obvious that this is the place right here where you click to be able to do your research. All right, when you click that, you get brought to a screen that looks almost exactly the same as the one you were looking at before, but this time you will come up here to the left and click the button that says Query. And you will be brought up to a search screen that looks like this. Now, if you say, I don't know any of this information, I don't know the case number. If you have access to the complaint in this case, or any other case that you were looking at, you will see that the case number is right on there. You see it says 1, and then you see a colon 19-CV-08454. So what I will do is come to case number and put the case number in exactly as I see it on the complaint, on the pleading. And I click on Find the Case, and if the case is available, it will turn it into something that looks like this, and then I will hit Run Query. And then it will bring me to a page that looks like this. Super exciting, right? Like not high tech at all. So you can look at alias, associated cases, case summary, dockets, history, parties, whatever. Just keep in mind that if you click on these, you may be charged for small amounts. For example, a dime for looking at the history documents. Like I'll show you. When I click on history documents, it will ask me if I want to run the query, which I will. And then it will bring me to a page that looks like this. And you can see over here, they have the document numbers. When you click on these, they will bring up options for you to download things. But you can see down here, there's one billable page. That just cost me a dime to show you this. But once you're in here, you see the docket numbers, Let's say I want to go down and look at something in particular, like this motion for miscellaneous relief. I'll come over here to the 24 that's hyperlinked and click on it, and it will bring me to a page that shows me how much money this will cost me if I want to look at it. So I see that it has 8 billable pages and it will cost me 80 cents. Because I do not want to actually look at this document, I'm not going to click View Document, which is what will incur charges. So if I just go backwards, I won't pay anything for it. And that's how you use PACER. That's how you can follow this case on your own, especially if you are someone like me who wants to see all of the information. And if you come over here to the court filings on the incomestorereceivership.com page, you'll see that they do not have all of the filings there. So this is a good opportunity for you, if this is something that interests you, to go check it out. In PACER, if you want, you can also look up other parties involved in the case and take a look at the pleadings involved in those cases. That's it, everyone. It's a quick one. I just thought this would be helpful. Take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next one.